Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add any language or course on Duolingo. Let's see how to do it. First of all, open your Duolingo app. Tap on flag icon in the top left corner. Tap on plus icon. And here you can see many options. Music, math and others option. You can choose anyone, like choose any language: Korean, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese or Chinese. Then tap on continue. And select any option. Tap on continue. Select any option, tap on continue. By doing this process, you can successfully add any course or language. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.